Hello.
Good evening from Hyperion Horizons. We are here at the International Gateway Skyliner station, and we're about to go ride the Skyliner for the first time on opening day.
Woo!
We're really excited to ride the Skyliner to Hollywood Studios.
Yeah.
And check it out.
And
Hopefully it's not too hot.
It's a hot one today, so we'll see how those ventilation systems are working out.
Yeah, we'll let you know. We'll see you when we get on in the line and then on Skyliner.
All right, here we go.
All right.
We can get on, right?
Skyliner in flight. Afternoon delight. Yeah. Young with your pilot. Uh-oh. Yes, you can.
And refrain from smoking in the cabins. Thank you.
Okay, party of three and two. You all are going to be sharing the same cabin.
You're welcome.
147. You're going to load first in just a minute. All right, you're going to load first. You're going to load second.
Just second, facing the direction we're going.
record that whole time?
Yeah.
Wow.
And now where are we? The main station?
Yeah, we're at Caribbean, or so wait, which line do we ride? It's Caribbean. We go to the Hollywood Studios line now. So this is a handicap one that's about to get on the line, so I'll watch it.
Peel those off for that.
And then you can ride it here and over there.
Oh look, they kick that one and then they just pop it in its place. Ah, seamless.
Yeah, she said do this. So we just got at the main hub here at Coronado Springs.
Trans of
It's a little scary.
We
really awesome.
We got the hub, walked from the Epcot area to the Hollywood Studios line, and got on the Skyliner within like 2 minutes.
Yeah,
We're flying to Disney's Hollywood Studios.
Okay, so now is the wind.
There's no wind. There's no wind on us right now, so it's kind of warm. The sun is facing us. I mean, it's not like deathly unpleasant, but it's not pleasant
It's
either.
not as nice as the way over when it was nice and breezy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not.
A little stuffy. Hey, so all right, we did the Skyliner ride all the way from Epcot to the main station, then to Hollywood Studios, and I liked it a lot. What did you think, Steven?
I enjoyed it. It was the company was.
You
but
mean
it was,
us?
No. The thing is, the only concern we talked about this was that it was a little warm out because we did go into the wind for a second.
Yeah,
Or with the wind.
Yeah, if you're going with the wind, then you're not getting any breeze really.
Yeah.
But if you go against the wind, then you're getting a lot of breeze.
Yeah.
And it feels good. But if you're not going with the wind, then it's just going to be a little warm, kind of
But
stuffy.
it's just like,
It's
yeah,
not too
stuffy
bad.
and a little warm. I don't say that it would be a deal breaker considering all the benefits
I think it
of...
depends on the time of day as well. Like it's pretty
Yeah.
late right now. We took it at past 5.
Yeah, that's true.
So, you know,
Maybe
it's
if
past
it's
the
like
heat of the
3
day.
o'clock and it's like August,
Yeah.
I wouldn't ride it.
It definitely makes me reconsider my choices as far as resorts because before I'd love to do monorail loop, and now I'm thinking I'd love to do Skyliner loop.
Yeah.
Just to be able to get on it and go because it was really quick.
Very
Now I will
efficient,
say that the
yeah.
line from the main hub to Epcot was really, really long when we were leaving.
Right,
So
yeah, that was a long one for some
I don't
reason.
know if that was just because it's people want to go to Food and Wine or what, but it's pretty efficient. You're moving constantly through that line, so you probably wouldn't wait more than 5-10 minutes tops. I think.
And it was way more pleasant than a bus for sure.
Yes. No screaming kids except for Steven.
Well,
So,
Yeah.
I do what I do.
but
And
yeah.
like we had on the one from this hub to Hollywood Studios, we were by ourselves and that was nice. And then the other one, we just were with 2 other people and they were really nice and good company.
Yeah.
And that was fine.
They're trading facts.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
interesting stories.
So
They did mention, however, that they had a bit of a shutdown on one of the stations, I
turns.
guess you would say. Yes,
One of the
turns.
turns.
Yeah, actually,
Oop.
turns.
So, yeah.
And that kind of stunk for them because they were stuck there in a kind of a hot box for a minute.
So it can shut down, and when you're stopped, it's okay if you're in the shade, but if you're in the sun, it's probably going to be kind of hot. And they don't really say anything until like a couple minutes in, and they might say, "Hey, we're stopped." It's like, well, no, we know that we've been stopped for a little bit. But anyway, all in all, I think it's a great addition. So
Beautiful.
I'm really excited to see them expand it at some point.
Yeah.
And I think next time we come, we're going to stay at one of those Skyliner hotels because it's just so convenient.
I could definitely see that first thing in the morning or after park close, like it would be a really good option.
Yeah.
because it is like constantly loading, so you avoid that where you're standing and waiting for the next bus or the next monorail or whatever, and you're there with like 50 other people. Like this way, it's probably going to be a long line, but at least you're constantly moving forward in that line, which makes lines more pleasant, I think, when you're moving.
Yeah, the Epcot line was pretty quick.
Yeah.
So yeah, totally recommend it.
Cool.
10 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
9.5 out of 10.
Yeah, I would like to have more windows, but
10 out of
it's
10.
still good.
No, yeah. Oh, also, we got on the buckets that we got both times were unobstructed views.
True.
So they weren't
They
the wraps.
weren't wrapped, yeah.
So that was nice because you can see a lot more.
Right.
But if you want the character ones, you can totally get one of those. But you just won't be able to see as well out. So that's something to keep in mind.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Oh, and as a person that's afraid of heights, I thought it was going to be scarier than it was. There were definitely points that I was like, oh gosh, we're getting higher and I don't like it. But most of it was still like really cool.
Yeah.
The movements are not crazy. I kind of pictured it being like Mickey's Fun Wheel in Disneyland California Adventure.
And even when you stop, it sways maybe a tiny bit, but it's so minor that you probably wouldn't even notice it. So
it's
even
like
if you're a motion sickness
but,
prone person,
your body doesn't move with it.
if you're
or
motion
anything
sickness
crazy.
prone, yeah, you're probably not bad. So
It was good.
It's pretty chill.
Yeah.
I liked it. Very relaxing.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Well,
Would recommend.
yeah. So
Yeah,
thanks
for
for watching, you guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit that bell. Like all the YouTubers say, and
Smash
then we'll
the like button.
catch you later.
Bye.
Bye.